Okay, I don't have battery for this shit.
I don't know. I might want to take one.
Everything goes haywire.
I have 5-inch mortars. Those things
Everyone
are.
have an evacuation
I just
plan?
want to see those
What?
fucking like
Evacuation plan?
boom.
No, it's. Or even just the 3-inch ones are just gonna. Oh.
Anything was fun right now.
Straight back. You better run quick. You're at the front.
I know. Okay.
Everything falls over.
Oh no.
We all.
We leave the people laying down and run.
This is good. It's all starting with the Saturn missiles.
Do it.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Like the pussies.
No. It's starting. Yeah. It's starting with the 200 pack of Saturn missiles.
Roman candle! Woo! It's like a dogfight.
Whoa.
Very nice. I'm like hiding behind you in case we're not.
That's okay, babe. I'll take a firework for you.
Aww, that's so sweet.
Supposed to be full.
Firework bullet.
Stand behind you guys.
You see how big that is? Yeah.
Not pretty dangerous, but like that's.
That's why I'm way back here.
Oh, dude, that thing's going.
Now that you said that, okay.
It's going. It's
If my
going.
face is red, it's your fault.
Sorry.
No, when I saw Steve and Chris like moving back like that.
Where are they?
What? Christmas back?
There's nobody down there right now, is there?
Steve is.
He is?
I think.
Bombs shooting in our faces. They are
Oh shit.
Fuck
My balls, America. Fuck yeah. What you gonna do when we come for you?
No,
this
like
isn't a
taking
good
it 3
spot.
times.
That was it. You guys are welcome to go home now. Come on. Something's burning.
This is
You woke up in the bay?
Yeah, you might have.
dude, I'm pretty sure everybody's watching and loving it.
You know, yeah, for sure.
You were so
Here
pent up
comes.
about that.
They're having so much fun.
Everybody over there. Look, that's
You hear that
awesome.
yelling too? That's so great.
That is awesome. I love that. Oh, God.
We'll see what else comes on the 4th, huh?
That's crazy.
This is the big one. This is the big one.
Down there.
Fuck yeah!
Here we go! Here we go!
Nice.
I think we all like moved back.
We're like, lean back. Lean back.
Wow. That was awesome.
There's something else brilliant out there.
I
Fuck,
know.
I don't know, man. I'm waiting for that shit.
This is like shitting on Roach's.
Oh shit.
Nah, bro.
$1,500, man. Fuck, better be worth
And
it.
those aren't.
Oh my god, what is
Oh shit. Holy shit, dude. That's awesome.
wow.
Nice.